Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to save with cheats enabled in Red Dead Redemption 2. Alright, so let's begin. I'm going to show you how saving works with cheats enabled in Red Dead Redemption 2 and how players use a specific method to get around the usual restriction. Normally, when you activate cheats in RDR2, the game disables saving and trophies, but there is a workaround tied to a particular mission. So in order to save your progress with cheats enabled in RDR2, you have to follow these steps. First, before starting anything, go into the game settings and open the cheat section. Here, you'll need to enter a few cheat codes. Start by typing "Greed is now a virtue," which gives you unlimited money. Then you can enter "Vanity, all is vanity" to unlock all outfits in the game. If you want a high quality horse, you can also use the cheat "You want more than you have." These cheats give you a strong advantage before beginning the mission. Now before you proceed, make sure your autosave is turned on in the settings. This step is very important because the method relies on autosave rather than manual saving. Next, start the mission called Angelo Bronte Man of Honor. During this mission, play through it normally and complete all the objectives. Once the mission is finished, the game will create an autosave point. After completing it, load the autosave file associated with that mission. At first, you may still see the message saying that saving is disabled due to cheats being active. Don't worry, this is expected. To fix this, your character needs to sleep in-game. Find a place to rest and choose the sleep option. In some cases, you may need to wait a short while or try sleeping again. After this, the game may allow saving again under certain conditions. Keep in mind, even if this works, trophies and achievements will still remain disabled while cheats are active. So this method is mainly useful for fun gameplay rather than progression. And that's it. This is how you can save with cheats enabled in Red Dead Redemption 2. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.